Hello. Hold on, let me. All right. I'm just doing this because a couple people told me they liked these videos, so they like to see what I got. Where did I go today? My buddy Frankie Metallo Jr. told me to go up to Taylor, so I did. I'm glad I did. I actually wound up getting now it says a top loader combo box. I don't know why they call it a combo box. Oh, there's different sizes. There was 3 of them, and the girl said I could take as much as I want. I didn't realize it cost like $7, but there's 130 point top loaders, and then 10 normal size soft thick ones. It says 10 thick soft sleeves. So you get the 130 point, and you get the sleeves, and you get the 10 regular size top loaders. So that's pretty cool. It's the first time I've seen top loaders sold anywhere. I don't really need them. I got a bunch of them in a box over there. But anyway, so I got that. And I got French. Oh, this is a hobby box. It's got to be a hobby box because it's not a blaster. Alright, so I got that. That was like $40, so it has to be a hobby box. Or a monster box. Maybe it's a monster box. It doesn't say because it's French. And it might say it, but I just don't understand French. Collect Young Guns rookie cards. Collectionnez les cartes de recrues. Jeunes loupés. Whatever the hell that means. Alright, so anyways. And then I got, because it was funny, I saw this and I was like, oh my god, they actually still have hockey cards. and I was looking, and this girl says to me, what are you looking for? Baseball cards? We're all out. And I said, no. I said, I see a tin of hockey. I said, I'm happy. And then I start talking to her. She was a Pokemon collector, and she's like, oh yeah, as soon as it comes out, I get a pack, or I get 5 packs for me and my brother, or whatever. And it's sort of like something like, I don't know, like, what's the thing? You get 1, you ought to get 2, this or that. She's showing me the box. I mean, I saw this, and then this was behind it. There we go. Or just flip it. But I said, oh, yeah. It was funny. She goes, oh, it's going to be expensive, she says. I said, that's right. Usually they're $29.99 or $29.95. And she's like, yep. And then I said, that other one's probably more. And sure enough, it was. But she says, oh, yeah. Well, I saw an empty Bowman box. And I said, oh, you had Bowman. She says, yeah, I just sold the last one. Something like that. I said, damn, I wish I got up here sooner. I said, I took a wrong turn on the highway, off the highway. I said, I wound up going to Dunmore. She's like, oh, yeah, I just sold the last 5 a couple minutes ago. You're like how long? She's like, 5-10 minutes ago. Guy came in and said, can I have the rest of them? She says, yeah. She gave him 5 packs of where's it at? The Bowmans. But I went out to a different one. I went out to I don't see them. What did I do with them? I was getting so tired I had to go to sleep. I don't know what I did with them. Well, today I went to 2 places and I got 2 hockey boxes and a top loader. And then, what the heck? Is this one? Oh, here they are. I was looking for something today, and look what I was like, people would kill for this. I found this in a bag, crumbled up in the back of my trunk of my car. All right, so the second stop that I made today. Oops. Oh, that's backwards. How awesome is that? My buddy Frankie said, well, he sent me to the first one to look for these. And these were just sold out. And I got the 2 hockeys in the top loader. But when I went to the second one, they had 2. Now, this is the one I just went on my own. I just figured I'd go give it a chance. But I don't know how this works. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I was gonna, here's what I was gonna say. He told me that these are really, really, really good. He goes, you only get like 19, 20 cards in a pack, but he said you get like 8 silver somethings. I don't know. So I figured, you know what? I have not opened anything that I've bought the whole last 2 months. No, I take that back. I think I opened up a pack of Heritage once when I went up to Big Lots. So I opened up a pack of Heritage. I went to the Hazleton Big Lots, and the first time I went, I just went just to see if they had anything, and they had a ton of Heritage. So I went in there and I bought a bunch of it. Ooh, first card. This is looking really good. Shoney Tony. I know it's a Shoney. Oh, Charlie Blackmon. Jesus. Anderson. Harper. Bryce. Oh, Jesus. Molina. Francisco Lindor. Okay, so that's 6 good players in a row. J.D. Martinez from Boston. So that's I'm going to assume that's the base cards. Wow. Oh my God, I got an autograph card? Are you freaking kidding me? I got an on-card auto. Legoy Tavares. I don't even know who that is. I don't know if you can see the autograph or not. There it is. See it? I got an on-card auto. I can't believe it. Nobody else has. There's not one other card I've seen that had an autograph. Is that a sticker? Oh, that's an on-card auto. I don't believe it. Yeah, not one other card has an autograph. Good thing I have these sleeves. I could sleeve them up. An on-card auto rookie. And then the very next card is Jesus Luzardo, top 100. And that's a really sweet looking card too. My God, thank God I opened this pack. Luis Garcia. Okay, that's the first guy that I don't know who he is, but it's still one of those silver cards. So, oh, these must be rookie cards. I don't know. Hunter Green, Austin Wells, Malloy Ramos. So it looks like he was exaggerating. There's not 8 silver cards. There was 6 of them, but maybe there was only 6 of them because I got that auto of Leo. I think that's what it says. Leody Tavares. Yeah, Leody, Leody Tavares. Okay, that's awesome. I got an autograph. How did he go wrong there? And then back to the other normal base cards again. So 7, 6, and then probably 6. And it's Blake Walston. Jesus. Freudis Nova. My God, this is horrible. Isaiah Green. Aaron Sabato. Jose Salas. Oh, they gave me an extra card now. Spencer Torkelson. They gave me a... oh, When I was walking out, the alarm sounded. That's probably why. All right, I'm putting those. Oh, Jesus! I'm putting those guys here, getting them out of the way. Sorry, this is taking so long. I'm gonna open up the second Bowman just because that pack was so nice. Even if this pack sucks, that pack had like the first 7 or 8 cards were awesome. 9 cards were awesome. All right. Oh no, I opened up the wrong pack. I accidentally opened up my 2020 Optic Football. Oh, I just got a Joe Burrow. That'd be awesome. Oh, I got something sweet. What is that? Rookie of the Year favorites. Sixto Sanchez rookie card. That's actually pretty cool. Camera's like askew. All right, I'm going to go through this quick. Bregman, Abreu. Wow, this is ridiculous. Every time I open one of these packs, the first 6 cards are friggin' phenomenal. Wow. Oh my God. Bregman, Abreu, like Jose Abreu from the White Sox, Tatis Jr., Anthony Rendon, Ryan Mountcastle. That's a rookie card. Oh my God. I got like 3 rookies. Mountcastle, Christian Javier, and Braylon Marquez. The Cubs. Looks like a relief pitcher. Wow. I know this card is definitely worth something. Mountcastle. Okay. Rookie of the Year, Sixto Sanchez, I showed you. Futurist. Oh, guess what? Oh my God. Oh my God. Everyone's talking about this guy. I know he's still in the minors. Jason with 2 S's, named after Jason Giambi. Jason Dominguez. Alex Manoah. Ronnie Mauricio. Bobby Witt Jr. and Matt Manning. They're my silver cards. And then the end of the deck, the last 6 are Soderstrom, Geraldo Perdomo. I've heard of him. I think he plays for San Diego. Geraldo Perdomo. Oh no, I'm sorry, he's Arizona. I knew he was out west. I was watching him on TV the one night. Jared Kelnick. Jaron, Jarren, Jarren Duran. I never heard of that name before in my life. Mackenzie Gore. Oh, it looks like a relief pitcher for the Padres. And then Clayton Beeter. And that's seriously his name, Clayton Beeter. Why is that not taking? Clayton Beeter. Clayton as in Clayton Kershaw. The only difference is this guy's a righty pitcher. That's unreal. Clayton Beeter. Beetar. I never heard of him. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to buy these every time I see them. I don't care how much they cost. Not only because they're sweet, but Jesus, every card was freaking phenomenal. Well, I shouldn't say every card, but great freaking packs. I mean, awesome. I still have about 4 others that I bought over the last couple weeks, but that's wow. That really is. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this winds up being a good video. The last couple were terrible.